A tube expanding hydraulic press with 2 cylinders is a specialized machine designed for the R&D of Tata Group. The purpose of this machine is to expand the ends of tubes from inside. This is a special customized requirement. 2 cylinders operates by applying hydraulic force to expand the diameter of the tube's end. It features 2 high-pressure hydraulic cylinders that work in tandem to exert uniform pressure on the tube, causing it to expand radially. One of the key features of this machine is its customization. It can be tailored to meet the specific needs of various industries and applications. This customization may include adjustments to the tube diameter range. The hydraulic system ensures that pressure is evenly distributed, preventing distortion or damage to the tube. Tube expanding hydraulic press incorporates safety features such as emergency stop buttons, protective guards, and pressure relief valves. We customize R&D machines and special purpose machine for metal cutting, customized hydraulic press and other material handling machines. For engineering industries, part weight 10 grams to 10 tons depending upon requirement. Share with your team.